Hey, what's up guys? Sam Acevedo here. I'm sitting here in my 335 and it looks like it's about to rain. One of the things I noticed about this 335 is that the sunroof, when closed, pops up just a little bit, and I think water is getting into the car. So what I'm going to do today is try to figure out how to reset this sunroof. Hopefully it works, because I think it's going to come down. It's been coming down for the past few days, and I think that's what's causing my floor to be a little wet. So let's reset this. Let's see if this works. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the sunroof button. And I'm just going to hold it here. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to keep holding. I think you got to hold it for like 30 seconds. Oh! And it's doing its thing. It's back and forth. Okay, that was it. And then in the dash, we got a warning of some sort. Okay, that's gone. Alright, so moment of truth. I'm gonna go check it. Okay, and there you have it. Nice and even. Right? Nice and even. There we go. And there you have, everyone. Quick reset. All you gotta do is hold the button. It'll go through its config set. Whatever it does, I guess it checks its limiters, or the ends of each side, front and back, and it resets itself. So that worked for me. Let me know if anyone's having that issue and if it worked. Should be quick. It took maybe a minute. Alright guys, well, thank you for watching. Again, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll check you guys out in the next video.